Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Soil here, and today I'm going to show you 5 best ways that you can earn passive income on Binance. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let me explain very shortly what passive income is, and then we explore the ways that we can earn passive income on Binance. Passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. In other words, it's a money you earn, but for this money, you don't actively work. For example, consider you bought shares of a company and the stocks pay out dividends. This is a passive income. Or consider you have an apartment and you rent it. The money you receive every month for the rent is a form of passive income. Or in another examples, the royalties that a book author receive or the space on your website you dedicate for advertising, these are all passive income. The main characteristic of a passive income is that it doesn't require you to be there and actively work on it like what employers do. In other words, that source of income keeps making money for you while you're on something else and even when you're sleeping. Alright, now that you understand what a passive income is, you may wonder how it's possible with crypto on Binance. This is the subject of this video, and we're going to explore the ways you can earn passive income with crypto on Binance. It doesn't need any experience or crypto knowledge, and you can simply start earning interest on your crypto with just a few clicks. The only requirement is that you must have some crypto. Before we start looking at these best ways of passive income on Binance, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, in the menu bar here in the Earn, we have some earning options to select. Here we have Binance Earn, which is a one-stop investment solution including all these. It may be a little complicated to you having them all in one place, so I explain them separately from here one by one, ranging from low to high returns. The first one I want to explain is savings. And we have two kinds of it: flexible savings and locked savings. In flexible savings, as the name indicates, there is no lockup periods and you can withdraw your funds anytime you like with no penalty. So if you're holding some coins just sitting in your account, you can put them here to work for you. Here you actually lend your crypto to other traders for a guaranteed interest. You will not lose your funds because all the traders who borrow must cover the amount they borrow plus the interest. So there is nothing to be worried about losing your funds. The good point with flexible savings is that you can continue this as long as you want. There is no obligations on locking up your funds, and you can withdraw and redeem your funds plus the interest you earned anytime you like without paying any penalty. In flexible savings, the annual percentage yield is up to 20% at the time of making this video, depending on the coin. You can simply click on subscribe. With a very short and easy process, Binance does everything automatically for you. You can also enable auto transfer, which is an automatic subscription function that allows the Binance system to transfer your total available asset from your spot wallet to the savings wallet automatically, which is scheduled daily at 2 and 20 UTC. Please pay attention that there is also an individual cap, a limitation on how much you can subscribe, but it's not low. For example, in terms of Bitcoin, it's something like 5,000 Bitcoin. And in the case that auto transfer is on, the subscription of exceeding parts will be cancelled automatically. Consider we have Cake and we want to subscribe to flexible savings. So we click on subscribe, and here we enter the subscription amount. Please pay attention that the day you subscribe is not calculated for interest. The interest is calculated from tomorrow, the day after you subscribe, and interest distribution date will be 2 days after subscribing. Some coins have APY tier rate. For example, here if you have 0 to 50k, the APY is 12%, and for more than 50, the APY will be calculated 2%. After clicking confirm, your asset in spot wallet will be transferred to savings wallet, and anytime you withdraw and redeem your fund plus the interest earned will be transferred to your spot wallet. Alright, the next type of savings is locked savings. Here you can earn higher interest rates, but you must agree to lockup period. So if you think you're not gonna need to access your funds soon, you can try locked savings and enjoy higher interest rates. The annual interest rates in the locked savings can be up to 70% in the time of making this video, depending on the coin and also duration. Generally, the more volatile the coin and the more duration period, the APY APY is higher. Locked savings works exactly like flexible savings, and you're actually lending your crypto to those traders who want to borrow, and the difference is that you lock your crypto for a fixed period of time to earn more. Consider we have Tether and we want to subscribe to locked savings, so we click on subscribe, and here we can select duration, for example 30 days or 60 days. We keep on with 30 days. Here we enter the amount. The amount is based on lots, and a lot size here is 100 USDT. So here you enter your desired amount, 5 lots, 10 lots, or whatever. Here it gives some summary interest per lot, which is 0.41 USDT, 5% annualized. This is the individual maximum amount allowed to subscribe, which is 500,000 lots. This is the value date and time, which starts from tomorrow, and the redemption date, which will be next month. When you enter the lot amount, the system will automatically calculate the expected interest that you will receive on the redemption date. By turning on this option, on the redemption date, your funds plus the interest you receive from the locked savings will automatically subscribe to flexible savings. When you click on confirm, your asset in your spot wallet will be transferred to savings wallet, and in the date of redemption, your locked assets will be redeemed automatically, and the funds plus the interest will be transferred to your spot wallet, or if this is on, they will be subscribed to flexible savings. Alright, the next passive income method on Binance is staking, which we selected from here, which we have two kinds of it. Locked staking and DeFi staking. Staking is also similar to locked savings. Here also you agree to a fixed duration lockup period and you earn staking rewards, and you can enjoy higher interest rates up to 150% annual percentage yield depending on the coin and also the duration period. The difference with locked savings is that here you don't lend your coins to other traders, but you stake your coins on a proof of stake network. Besides the direct way of staking for a network which demands some knowledge and maybe some kinds of softwares and hardwares, here on Binance you can simply stake and support your favorite blockchains and earn yields on your staking. The way you're involved with staking here is similar to savings options, and this is a good choice for users who like to be more involved in a blockchain community and grow their crypto balance in return with even higher rates for some cases. For example, consider we have ADA and we want to stake it for 90 days. So we click on stake now, and here we enter the amount of ADA we want to lock. Here we have summary of our staking date and time. Here the value date, which starts from tomorrow, 1 day after starting of the staking. This is the date when interest paying is ended, 1 day for redemption period, and the next day will be the redemption date. The estimated APY is 11.23%, and please pay attention that here it explains that based on the on-chain staking rewards, this APY is adjusted daily. Alright, the next type of staking is DeFi staking. The difference here is that in locked staking, we lock our asset to support a blockchain network, but here in DeFi staking, we provide liquidity for a DeFi project. Here in DeFi staking, the rate of annualized earnings are higher for specific coins, but you must pay attention that here in DeFi staking, the risk is also higher. Here in the top of the page, Binance gives us the warning that is trying to list the best DeFi mining projects, but Binance is only working as a platform between users and those projects, and any loss because of those projects' security issues doesn't have any liability for Binance. Everything else and the way you're involved is exactly similar to locked staking, with only one difference that for some coins you can also choose flexible lock. Alright, the next way is for the case if you have a BNB. If you have BNB and you want to earn passive income on your BNB, there is a BNB yield aggregator which is called BNB Vault, and it enables you to earn income across various products, both centralized and decentralized on Binance platform. It actually combines multiple income benefits of Binance Smart Chain, Launchpool, savings, stakings, and more, all in one interface. If you have BNB and you don't know where to place your BNB to maximize your profit, you can simply use BNB Vault to stake your BNB and benefit from every opportunity for earning more BNB. Right now, the APY API is up to 20%. There are also other ways to earn passive income like liquidity farming, Binance Pool, Launchpad, but they are a little more technical and need to go more in details and concepts, which I'll completely explain them in separate videos. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next episode and good luck with your investments.